Pistachios are more than just a delicious snack. In the United States, they represent one of the most sophisticated and large-scale agricultural operations in the world. While cracking open those green gems is simple, the journey from tree to table is incredibly complex. Behind each nut is a story of long-term tree cultivation, advanced mechanical engineering, scientific processing, and global trade. In this video, we'll explore the intricate and fascinating world of pistachio farming in America, uncovering how billions of pistachios are harvested each year. The rise of pistachio farming in the United States. Pistachio farming in the U.S. is a relatively recent success story. Unlike almonds or walnuts, which have a longer domestic history, pistachios were first introduced as a commercial crop in the 1970s. California's Central Valley, with its arid climate, long hot summers, and mild winters, turned out to be the perfect environment for this Middle Eastern native crop. Over time, the region became the epicenter of American pistachio production. Today, the U.S. ranks among the top pistachio producers in the world, alongside Iran and Turkey. California dominates the domestic scene, producing over 99% of all pistachios grown in the United States. With more than 500,000 acres of pistachio orchards and a harvest of over 1.5 billion pounds in a good year, the industry has grown into a multi-billion-dollar agricultural force. The pistachio tree, a long-term investment. Unlike seasonal crops that grow and harvest within a few months, pistachio trees require patience. From the time a tree is planted, it can take between 7 to 10 years to yield its first commercial crop. That's a full decade of irrigation, fertilization, and care before a farmer sees a return on investment. However, once mature, pistachio trees are incredibly productive and long-lasting. They can continue producing nuts for over 100 years, making them a sustainable long-term investment for growers. Another unique trait of pistachio trees is that they are dioecious, meaning male and female flowers grow on separate trees. Only female trees bear nuts, but they require nearby male trees to pollinate them. In commercial orchards, growers typically plant one male tree for every 8 to 12 female trees. During the blooming season, wind plays a crucial role in distributing pollen from male to female flowers. The blooming and pollination process. Spring marks the beginning of the pistachio growing cycle, with trees blossoming in preparation for pollination. This process doesn't involve bees, as it's completely dependent on wind. The arrangement of orchards is carefully planned so that male trees are positioned upwind of female trees to maximize pollination efficiency. However, this is also a vulnerable stage in the tree's yearly cycle. A late frost, unexpected rains, or strong winds can damage the delicate flowers and significantly reduce the year's yield. Growers monitor weather patterns and microclimates closely, often using wind machines and protective methods to shield the trees. A successful pollination sets the foundation for a productive harvest months later. How pistachios grow and ripen. Once pollination is successful, small nuts begin to form and grow throughout the summer. Each pistachio is housed inside a soft, fleshy outer covering known as the epicarp. Inside that is the familiar hard beige shell, which encloses the edible green kernel. As the nut matures, it naturally splits open, a sign that it's ready to harvest. By late August or early September, most orchards begin showing signs of ripening. The outer hull starts to lose its green color and take on a reddish tint. Timing the harvest is absolutely critical. If the nuts remain on the tree for too long, they become susceptible to insect infestations, mold, and decay. Worse, the nuts may fall to the ground and become contaminated. Mechanized harvesting, shaking billions of nuts from trees. Pistachio harvesting in America has been revolutionized by machinery. Instead of manual laborers climbing trees or picking nuts by hand, giant machines now do the heavy lifting, or more accurately, the heavy shaking. The star of the show is the mechanical tree shaker, a powerful vehicle with hydraulic arms and padded grippers. These machines clamp onto the trunk of the pistachio tree and vibrate it with intense but controlled force for about 3 to 5 seconds. As the tree is shaken, thousands of nuts fall into catch frames or large tarps positioned beneath. These frames are often attached to another vehicle that collects the falling nuts in real time. This setup allows for extremely fast and efficient harvesting. A single crew can cover dozens of acres in a single day, drastically reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. The machines are incredibly precise, strong enough to shake off ripe nuts, but gentle enough to avoid damaging the tree. Trees can be harvested in alternating years or on a rotating schedule depending on age and yield, ensuring long-term orchard health. The race against time, 24 hours to... After the nuts are harvested, time becomes critical. Pistachios must be transported and processed within 24 hours to prevent spoilage and staining of the shells. The epicarp, if left on for too long, begins to break down and stain the hard shell underneath, impacting both the appearance and safety of the product. Additionally, moisture trapped under the hull can lead to mold and aflatoxin, a dangerous contaminant that disqualifies an entire batch from being sold. To avoid these issues, pistachio farms typically have on-site or nearby processing facilities that operate around the clock during the harvest season. These facilities are industrial-scale operations, capable of processing hundreds of thousands of pounds of pistachios per day. The multi-step pistachio processing journey. Once at the processing facility, pistachios go through several stages before they're ready for packaging and sale. The first step is hulling, where machines remove the soft outer epicarp. This step must be done quickly and efficiently to maintain product quality. Pistachios then enter water baths and sprayers to wash away any residual dirt, bugs, or plant matter. Next, the cleaned nuts are sent through large industrial dryers. Here, hot air is circulated to reduce the moisture level of the nuts to between 5% and 7%. This is a critical step for preserving freshness and preventing fungal growth during storage and transport. After drying, the pistachios undergo mechanical sorting and grading. Advanced systems use lasers, high-speed cameras, and air jets to detect flaws and separate nuts based on size, shell integrity, and appearance. Nuts with open shells are typically sold in snack packs, while closed-shell nuts are mechanically shelled and sold as kernels or used in products like pistachio ice cream or pastries. Some pistachios are then roasted and flavored. Common variations include salted, chili lime, honey roasted, and even garlic or barbecue. Finally, the nuts are packaged either in large bulk bins for export or retail-sized bags for grocery store shelves. Packaging is often done under vacuum seal or nitrogen flush to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. Safety, regulations, and environmental responsibility. Food safety is paramount in the pistachio industry. All major processors in the U.S. follow stringent protocols set by the FDA's Food Safety Modernization Act, FSM. Facilities are regularly inspected and products are tested for contaminants including aflatoxins. Equally important is the industry's focus on sustainability. Pistachios are naturally more water efficient than many other nut crops like almonds. Many farms use precision drip irrigation, delivering water directly to the tree roots while minimizing evaporation. In addition, wastewater from processing is often recycled and reused for orchard irrigation. Waste products like hulls and shells are not discarded. They're typically repurposed as compost, livestock feed, or used as biomass fuel, making pistachio farming an increasingly closed-loop, eco-conscious system. The massive scale of American pistachio production. The numbers behind pistachio farming in the U.S. are staggering. In a productive year, American farmers harvest over 1.5 billion pounds of pistachios, the equivalent of more than 3 billion individual nuts. Much of this is consumed domestically, but a large percentage is exported to international markets, especially in Asia and Europe. Major corporations such as Wonderful Pistachios, Seton Farms, and Primex Farms dominate the landscape. These vertically integrated companies control every step of the process from farming to processing to global marketing. Their scale and efficiency have helped turn the American pistachio into a globally recognized product. Jobs and economic impact. The pistachio industry is a major employer in California and surrounding states, from seasonal orchard workers and machine operators to food scientists, truck drivers, and quality control technicians. The sector supports tens of thousands of jobs. Additionally, the economic impact of pistachios extends to rural communities, supply chain companies, packaging manufacturers, and export terminals. In California alone, pistachios contribute over $5 billion annually to the state's economy. Challenges the industry faces. Despite its growth, the pistachio industry is not without significant challenges. Water scarcity remains the top concern. As California continues to experience drought cycles, regulators and farmers alike are under increasing pressure to reduce water usage. This has led to innovations in irrigation technology, but the long-term solution remains unclear. Labor shortages are also becoming a problem. While harvesting is mostly mechanized, processing facilities still require a lot of human labor, especially during peak season. Immigration restrictions and rising labor costs have put a strain on operations. Additionally, climate change threatens the industry in subtle but serious ways. Pistachio trees require a certain number of chill hours cold weather each winter to reset their internal cycle. Warmer winters reduce these hours, leading to lower yields or deformed nuts. Researchers are now developing pistachio varieties that need fewer chill hours to adapt to changing conditions. Finally, global trade tensions have affected exports. Tariffs and geopolitical issues can disrupt the flow of pistachios to key markets like China, which is one of the largest importers of American nuts. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.